Hey guys, Mike from LB Music School here. In this video we're going to be talking about guitar tabs and kind of continuing on with guitar music. Hope you guys watched the previous video on chord diagrams. This is just another way, and probably the most common way for guitar players to read music. So taking a look at the diagram up here, bottom line is E. It's going to be our low E string. Then it's going to go up to A, then up to D, G, B, and then E. If you notice, the order of the strings on the tabs are opposite of the order of the strings on the guitar. The bottom line is our top string, or our low E, and then it just follows order: A, D, G, B, E. Again, weird. Bottom line, top string, E, then A, D, G, B, E. If it helps, you can think of it this way. It's as if we looked at the guitar upside down. Kind of weird, but it is what it is. Let's start with a couple examples going one string at a time. So let's take the diagram above. We have a 3 on the bottom line. Go to our E string, 3rd fret, and there's our note. Next one, we have a 5 on the 2nd string up. That's our A string, 5th fret. Next one, we have a 2 on our D string, or the 3rd line from the bottom. Next one, we have a 4 on the 4th line from the bottom, 4th fret. Next one, we have a 3 on the 5th line from the bottom. Next one, check this out. We have a 0. What a 0 means is that we play the string open with nothing with our fretting hand. That's just going to be an open E string. The takeaway from this is 1. You have 6 lines that represent the 6 strings in reverse order of the guitar. 2. You have the numbers that sit on each line that correspond to the fret on the guitar. And 3, just got to remember that the tabs are just reversed in terms of the order of the guitar versus the order of the tabs. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment sections below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you soon.